Most people think walking is too simple to change anything. But what if I told you walking just 30 minutes a day can rewire your brain, burn fat, and even repair hidden damage inside your body? And here's the shocking part. Millions of people walk every day, but get almost zero real health benefits. Not because walking doesn't work, but because they're doing it in a way their body completely ignores. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your body when you walk daily, step by step. No hype, no confusing medical terms, just real science. Explained in a way that actually makes sense. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why walking might be the most underrated health habit in the world, and how to use it the right way. So if you've ever dismissed walking as too easy to make a real difference, stay with me. Because what I'm about to share might completely change how you think about this simple habit. Let's start with something most people never expect. Walking doesn't just affect your body. It physically changes your brain. Inside your brain, there's a small but extremely important area called the hippocampus. It's responsible for memory, learning, focus. As you age, this area naturally shrinks. And that shrinkage is directly linked to memory loss, brain fog, even Alzheimer's disease. For a long time, scientists believed this damage was permanent. Once it shrank, it was gone. But then, something surprising happened. They studied people who walked regularly, just 30 to 40 minutes a day. And what they found shocked everyone. The hippocampus actually started to grow again. Not slow down, not stabilize, grow. Walking increases blood flow to your brain and activates a powerful protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF like fertilizer for your brain. It helps create new brain cells, strengthen connections, and protect against mental decline. That's why people who walk daily often notice clearer thinking, better focus, improved memory, sharper decision-making. And here's the crazy part. If you've ever felt mentally lighter after a walk, that wasn't just your imagination. That was your brain literally working better in real time. But brain health is just the beginning, because the next thing walking changes is something most people struggle with every single day. Most people think stress is just mental, something you feel in your mind. But it's not. It's chemical. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. In small amounts, cortisol is actually helpful. It keeps you alert and focused. But when it stays elevated too long, it causes real damage. Weight gain, poor sleep, constant fatigue, anxiety, and a weakened immune system. And here's the problem most people don't realize. Most people are stuck in a low-level stress state all day long. They wake up, check their phone, start worrying, and their body never fully switches off. Cortisol stays elevated. The nervous system stays tense. Now here's where walking becomes powerful. When you walk at a steady, relaxed pace, your body activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. The simple left-right rhythm sends a calming signal straight to your brain. You are safe, you can relax. This might sound too simple to matter, but it changes everything. Your body shifts from stress mode to recovery mode. Your breathing slows, muscles relax, and mind becomes clear. That's why even a 5-minute walk can make you feel genuinely calm, even if your problems haven't changed. Because your body chemistry and that shift in chemistry is real, measurable, and powerful. Something else starts improving almost immediately. Your energy. If you feel tired all the time, you might think you just need more sleep or more coffee. But in many cases, the real problem is deeper than that. Inside every cell in your body are tiny structures called mitochondria, your body's energy factories. They convert oxygen and nutrients into usable fuel. When they don't work properly, you feel constantly tired, unmotivated, mentally foggy, drained even after a full night's rest. A sedentary lifestyle reduces mitochondria in your cells, and less mitochondria means less energy and more exhaustion. Now here's what walking does. It signals your body to create new mitochondria, repair damaged ones, make existing ones work more efficiently. In simple words, it upgrades your energy system from the inside out. And unlike caffeine, which forces your body to borrow energy, it doesn't have this energy as stable, calm, and sustainable. No crash, no dependency. That's why people who start walking regularly often say after just 2 to 3 weeks, "I just don't feel as tired as I used to." But here's something even more important. If your goal is fat loss, this next part might completely change how you approach it. Most people think fat loss only happens with intense workouts. Sweating, breathless cardio, painful effort. And if you're not pushing hard, it doesn't count. But that's not the full picture. Walking trains your body to burn fat more efficiently, not aggressively, but consistently. When you walk at a moderate, steady pace, your body primarily uses fat as fuel, unlike high-intensity workouts that burn more glucose. When you walk regularly, your insulin sensitivity improves. Your body uses stored fat for energy more efficiently. Your metabolism stays stable throughout the day. Your hunger hormones become more balanced. Walking doesn't just burn calories during the walk itself, it improves how your body manages energy for hours afterward. That's why people who walk daily often lose weight slowly at first, but keep it off long term because their metabolism has actually changed. But fat loss isn't the only thing happening, because right after you eat, walking does something incredibly powerful that most people completely overlook. Every time you eat, your blood sugar rises. Your body releases insulin to bring it back down. This is completely normal. But over time, especially with a sedentary lifestyle, many people become resistant to insulin. Their cells stop responding properly, which leads to chronic fat storage, constant energy crashes after meals, intense sugar cravings, and over time, serious metabolic disease. Now here's where walking becomes a secret weapon. When you walk after eating, your muscles pull sugar directly out of your bloodstream to use as fuel with very little insulin required. That means lower blood sugar spikes, more stable energy, less fat storage, and fewer cravings throughout the day. Just 10 to 15 minutes of light walking after a meal can make a significant difference, more than most people realize. But there's one critical mistake. That stops most people from getting all of these benefits. And once you understand this, you'll never approach walking the same way again. Here's the truth no one talks about. Walking only works if your body sees it as a consistent signal worth adapting to. If you walk randomly once or twice a week, only when you feel like it, your body treats it like background noise. No real adaptation, no real change. But when you walk consistently, even for short periods, your body starts to adapt deeply. Your metabolism shifts, your brain rewires, your hormones balance, your energy stabilizes, your systems begin to align. Metabolism, brain function, hormones, cardiovascular health, energy production, everything improves together like a system coming online. This is why consistency is infinitely more powerful than intensity. 20 minutes every single day beats 2 hours once a week, every time. Because your body doesn't respond to effort alone. It responds to repetition. And once your body starts adapting, another powerful benefit kicks in. One that affects not just how long you live, but how well you live. Walking is one of the most underrated tools for cardiovascular health on the planet. Done consistently, it helps. Lower resting blood pressure. Improve circulation throughout the body. Raise good cholesterol while lowering bad cholesterol. Reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Strengthen the heart muscle itself. But more importantly, it helps you age better. There's a difference between lifespan, how long you live, and health span, how many of those years you actually feel good and stay independent. People who walk regularly stay active longer, recover faster, and maintain their sharpness well into later years. Not just more years, but better years. So when you put it all together, daily walking effects. Your brain grows new cells, sharpens memory. Your stress lowers cortisol, activates recovery mode. Your energy builds mitochondria, eliminates chronic fatigue. Your fat loss burns fat efficiently, stabilizes metabolism. Your blood sugar reduces spikes, improves insulin sensitivity. Your heart strengthens circulation, extends health span. All from something that seems almost too simple. And that brings us to the most important part. You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or intense, exhausting workouts. You just need consistency. Because your body doesn't change based on what you do once in a while. It changes based on what you repeat day after day. Small, consistent, simple. That's the formula. So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't tell yourself you'll start on Monday. Start today, even if it's just 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Whatever you can do it today. Now, I want to ask you something. Be honest with me. After watching this video, how many minutes are you actually going to walk today? Drop it in the comments right now. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. I personally read every single comment, and I want to see who's actually serious about transforming their health. Because here's the truth. Walking won't change your life overnight. But if you stay consistent, if you show up every single day, it will quietly, powerfully transform everything. Your brain, your body, your energy, your life. One step at a time. And if this video gave you even one thing to think about, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Because every week, I share simple, science-backed health habits just like this one, that actually work in real life. No complicated routines. No expensive products. Just real information that helps you feel better, think clearer, and live healthier. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.